paddlers, welcome to SUP The Map, your go-to guide for every epic paddle spot in the Pacific Northwest. Every great SUP venture starts with the stroke of a paddle. Let's go paddle. Today we're paddling at Lake Merwin. It's about 50 degrees outside. We just came down the really fun stairs by Yale Bridge to come paddle upriver of Lake Merwin. And today I'm on I call it my Seahawk. It's a 26-inch wide, 14-foot board. It's wider, so in the winter I like to paddle a little bit wider board and a little bit more stable. I've got my black project paddle. I'm wearing my full PFD. There's Sue, she's riding her 26-inch Maliko, and Sue has her Vycobi PFD on. She also has a dry suit on that she's testing out today. I think it's a Starboard dry suit, and she's got her O'Neill 7mm booties on. I have my 7mm billabongs on. And your feet do get cold. The water temps, I think in the low 40s. I just wanted to show you what we're riding. We're wearing full PFDs, dressed for immersion, but it's actually a beautiful day considering it is January. This is the corner. So this is the corner where we're going to come up to these buoys here, and we're going to take a right. This beach, just east of the Yale Bridge, right here, it's a little bit bigger in the summer depending on how much water they let out. This is a fun beach to hang out for the day. And then this point here is a fun rock to jump off.